Wouldn't it be nice if you could snap your fingers and in went your pull system? That would be easy. But the truth is, a pull system is one element of a larger strategy. With this in mind, if you want your pull system to be implemented in an effective manner, you should ensure that a few methodologies, principles, and pieces of education are clearly understood and implemented by your entire organization. What does that mean? It means there are some critical steps that a company must have in place before the pull system will be successful. Keep in mind that for every company, it is different. While we won't dig deeply into these prerequisites, over the next few modules we will introduce a few different pieces that must be in place for your pull system puzzle to be a success. We'll look at establishing a commitment to continuous improvement with a focus on waste reduction, implementing irregular team-based improvement events, measuring your improvements, creating a visual organization with 5S, educating people on quick changeovers, training multi-skilled people, and finally, cellular designs. These 7 different concepts will be a great place for you to start your pull system journey with. We'll see you in the next module.